Dear friends, today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 3. Question number 3 is, at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees centigrade on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. What is the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. What is the temperature on this day? Let us solve this one. First of all, it is given on Monday, the temperature at Srinagar on Monday, the temperature on Monday, the temperature at Srinagar, the temperature at Srinagar is minus 5 degree centigrade. Then it dropped by 2 degree centigrade on Tuesday. On Tuesday, the temperature drops. The temperature drops is equal to 2 degree centigrade. Therefore, the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday, therefore the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday is equal to the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday is equal to minus 5 degrees centigrade, minus 2 degrees centigrade. Why it is minus? Because the temperature drops or falls. Therefore, the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday is minus 7 degree centigrade. Right? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. On Wednesday, temperature rose is equal to 4 degree centigrade. Right? What is the temperature on this day? Therefore, on Wednesday, temperature will be Wednesday temperature was minus 7 degree centigrade plus 4 degree centigrade. That is equal to minus 3 degree centigrade. Right? Again we are repeating. On Monday, temperature at Srinagar is 5 degree centigrade, minus 5 degree centigrade. On Tuesday, the temperature drops by 2 degree centigrade. That is minus 2. Therefore, the temperature of Srinagar at Tuesday is minus 5 degree centigrade, minus 2 degree centigrade, that is minus 7 degree centigrade. Right? On Wednesday, the temperature rose by 4 degree centigrade, that is plus 4. On Wednesday, temperature was minus 7 degree centigrade plus 4 degree centigrade, that is minus 3 degree centigrade. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.